Hey y'all, today we're going to be doing a winter wash process on my work truck. It's probably been about a month and a half since I washed it. Walk you guys through the steps to be able to wash a truck here in the wintertime. Alright, I'm going to walk you guys through some of the products and tools I'm going to be using today. Going from left to right here, I have Super Clean, as I'm going to use an all-purpose cleaner to help clean out all the mud out of the wheel wells and off the tires. Here I have Geon Wet Coat. I'm going to use that to coat my windshield to get a little bit of water repellency. Wires G156, just going to throw a quick spray wax on the truck. Don't feel like putting an actual wax on it yet because it is cold, so I'm going to use Ammo Frothy along with my wash mode, my bucket of O&R to add a little bit of lubrication so I don't scratch because salt and dirt is a little bit abrasive. Then I got my bucket of wheel cleaning tools and then my bucket of O&R. Alright, so last clip saw me clean up the floor mats there. It's a good time in wintertime if you live where it's salty and stuff. Get rubber floor mats real easy to clean up, and it's a good time to clean them up when you're spraying off your car doing this because you already got your wheel bucket out. Go and take your wheel cleaning tools and just clean that up. Now we're going to go ahead, spray off that floor mat, spray off these wheels and wheel wells, and then spray off all this salt off the truck. Alright, now we just got done spraying it off, spraying underneath too, just because it's salt, trying to get all that stuff off. This is a winter wash that's trying to help preserve the vehicle here. Now we're going to move on, and I'm going to demonstrate to you guys here on the bedside. What I'm going to do is I have a bucket of O&R here. I'm going to use the Chanel wash mitt here. What I do is I'm going to spray the panel down with the Ammo Frothy. Use that as some lubrication. I'm going to hit the panel. I'm going to take our Wires D156, spray it on that area as my drying aid. And then I take my twist sleeve towel from the rag company, dry off that section. Gonna move on, finish that process for the rest of this.